Good day everyone. Learn how to uninstall apps in Windows 11. I'll tell you evergreen and the best method. All the methods which is required and available will be shown, and you will be able to uninstall whenever you want to. So the very first step is to go to the settings. So I'll click on start. I'll go to settings, and then I'll go to apps, and I will go to installed apps. So here you will find all the installed apps, and you can always come here and just click on this three dots, and then you can uninstall it. If you just want to reset that, you can simply click on that, and then you can simply click on reset, and in this manner the data will be. So I have reset Microsoft Clipchamp, and earlier it was in GBs and now it is in KB. So we just have to click on the three dots and then go to the advanced options, scroll down and click on reset. If when you reset this app, permanently delete apps data on this device, including your preference and sign-in details. So this is how you can reset and uninstall in Windows 11. And the evergreen method is to search for the control panel. And once the control panel is opened, view by large icons, select view by large icons. And then we are looking for programs and features. So here we have the programs and features. And from here as well, you can uninstall whatever you want to. All right, so you can also check view installed updates, and this will show you where exactly it is. I'll just go back, and in this program features you can simply uninstall, but that the very first one will also show you apps which is installed from Microsoft Store, so you can check that as well. All right, so please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day. Take care.